Welcome to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full before subscribing. Thank you. Salamat po. We are a Filipino-Swiss family who are a citizen of New Zealand. We love traveling. We don't have any vices but this. Nakaka-happy po kasi ang mag-travel. Lalo na kapag work ka ng work, dapat meron namang rewards. And this is our favorite place in New Zealand, Queenstown. And almost every year, we're here. There are a lot of places being developed, kaya marami pa po rin kaming hindi nakikita. So come with us and I'll give you a quick tour. At kung napanood niyo po yung last vlog ko, as per promise, I will tour you around here. O diba po, very peaceful, peace and quiet. Yun nga lang, medyo umanbon po that time. And here we are in Millbrook. As I've mentioned before in my previous vlogs, matagal ko na pong gustong pumunta rito. Kaya ito, isasama ko na rin po kayo. Halos sa lahat ng bagay naman, kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan nyo, nature can also heal you. Enjoy the moment. Wish na lang po tayo pag nanalo sa loto. And yes, there's a lot of golfers here. And here is the reception if you want to know more. And also meron pong a retail shop inside. And here is the toilet or their comfort room in Filipino words. O diba, bongga? Very comforting indeed. You can also have a shower here after your swimming. If you love nature, New Zealand is for you, especially Queenstown. You can visit this resort for free. Just walk around and you can just buy something. It doesn't have to be expensive. And this is the entrance that the bus can drop you off. Enjoy the beauty of nature for free. Naka-like na po ba kayo? At mag-subscribe na din po. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa umabot sa dulo.